Welcome to my channel, Random Talk by Mother. Planning to travel with kids in Pakistan sounds adventurous, right? From train rides to tantrums and mountain views to meltdown moments. I have seen it all. But guess what? It can be fun if you are prepared. So, here are my tried and tested tips to survive and actually enjoy traveling with your little ones. Let's dive in. With the right tricks, family travel does not have to be exhausting. Here's how to make every trip a joy for you and the kids. I am a parent and a travel lover. After traveling with kids across cities, I have learned a few hacks I wish someone had told me earlier. Tip 1. Plan less, enjoy more. Don't overstuff your itinerary. Kids get tired. Leave room for naps, snacks, and spontaneous fun. Tip 2. Snack save sanity. Bring twice as many snacks as you think you will need. Hungry kids is equal to grumpy kids is equal to nightmare trips. Tip 3. Pack smart, not heavy. Roll clothes, use packing cubes, and involve your child in packing their own mini backpack. Tip 4. Screen time is equal to survival time. Relax your screen time rules while traveling. It's okay. Long travels are hard on everyone. Tip 5. Keep a small emergency kit. Band-aids, wipes, extra clothes, and something cuddly. Lifesavers on the road. Now I am sharing my personal experience. I took the kids to the Liberty Market in Lahore, and that was the mistake. One wanted car, one wanted ice cream, and I just wanted to survive. Lesson: never take kids shopping unless there's a playground at the end. So remember, keep it simple, stay flexible, and laugh through the chaos. Want more family travel hacks? Subscribe and let me know your funniest travel story in comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.